Hello students, welcome back to SRM Biology classes. Today I will going to explain some of the important characteristic features of taxonomical categories. The concept of taxonomical categories was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Hence it is popularly designated as Linnaean. Linnaean categories or Linnaean hierarchy. Linnaean hierarchy. In a valid terminology, the taxonomical categories is defined as, or the Linnaean hierarchy is defined as, the graded arrangement of taxonomical ranks. One above the other is called Linnaean hierarchy. The graded arrangement of taxonomical ranks one above the other is called Linnaean hierarchy or taxonomical categories. Several taxonomical ranks or categories are widely used in the classification. Several taxonomical ranks or categories are widely used in the classification. Each category is a unit of classification. That unit of classification is purely designated as taxon. Each category is a unit of classification, popularly termed as taxon. Taxon refers to a group of, it refers to any group. So the classification involves the taxonomical ranks. It involves the arrangement of taxonomical ranks one above the other. That graded arrangement of taxonomical ranks one above the other is called Linnaean hierarchy. Is purely designated as Linnaean hierarchy. According to Carolus Linnaeus, the Linnaean hierarchy, it mainly comprises of 7 important taxonomical ranks or taxa. Each category is a unit of classification called taxon. It mainly comprises of, the Linnaean hierarchy mainly comprises of 7 important taxonomical ranks or taxa. The 7 important taxonomical ranks or taxa are namely kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus and species. Genus and species are the 7 important taxonomical ranks or taxa. The first important rank with reference to Linnaean hierarchy is the species. In a valid terminology, the species is defined as a group of genetically similar organisms. A group of genetically similar organisms which can interbreed among themselves to produce fertile offsprings. To produce fertile offsprings is called species. It is the lowest taxonomical rank. It is not only designated as the lowest taxonomical unit, it is the basic unit of classification. The species is the basic unit of classification. Yes, the species is defined as a group of genetically similar organisms which can interbreed among themselves to produce fertile offspring. Fertile offspring is called species. In case of mango, the indica is the species name. Indica is the species name. In case of wheat, andre godi. In case of wheat, Eastworm is the species name. In case of man, the sapiens is the species name. With reference to housefly, the domestica is the species name. In addition to this, with reference to sweet potato, the scientific name of sweet potato is Solanum tuberosum. Thus, tuberosum is the species name. With reference to lion, Panthera leo. In this case, the leo is the species name. With reference to Panthera tigris, the tigris is the, with reference to tiger, the Panthera tigris is the scientific name. The tigris is the species name. Tigris is the species name. The next important taxonomical rank is the genus. A group of closely related species. A group of closely related species will constitute. A group of closely related species will constitute genus. It mainly comprises of aggregation of several characters or placed in a higher taxonomical rank. That higher taxonomical rank against the species is the genus. With reference to some of the classical examples for the genus, in case of mango, Mangifera. In case of wheat, Triticum. In case of man, Homo. In case of housefly, Musca are the classical example for the genus. In addition to this, with reference to Solanum, the Solanum tuberosum, sweet potato. With reference to brinjal, melangina. With reference to nigra and kasi annu. The Solanum is the genus name. With reference to animals, in case of lion, it is Panthera leo. With reference to leopard, Panthera pardus. With reference to tiger, it is tigris. In this case, the Panthera is the genus name. The next important category is the family. In invalid terminology, the family is defined as a taxon that comprises of several related genera. It will constitute family. A taxon that includes several related genera will constitute family. With reference to plants, in case of plants, the family name should be end with ACAE. In case of mango, the family name it should be end with A, C, E, A, E. But in case of animals, the family name it should be end with I, D, A, E. It should be end with I, D, A, E. I, D, A, E. With reference to mango, mango belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Wheat belongs to Poaceae. Man belongs to Hominidae. In case of animals, the family name should be end with IDAE. In addition to this, in case of Panthera, in case of Felis, the family name is Felidae. The family name is Felidae. In case of Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melangina and Solanum nigrum, the family name is Solanaceae. The family name is Solanaceae. The next important taxonomical rank is called order. A taxon that includes several closely related families will constitute order. A taxon that includes several closely related families called order. The order name in case of plants, it should be end with ALES. It should be end with ALES. The order name in case of animals should end with the word IDAE. Should be end with DAE. It should be end with DAE. It should be end with DAE. It should be end with DAE in case of animals, but in case of plants, the order name should be end with is. It should be end with is. Such a unique criteria should be strictly followed at the time of naming the orders. Some of the classical examples with reference to order. In case of plants, coniferous, the mango, it will belongs to the order Sapindaceae. With reference to wheat, the order name is Poaceae. In case of man, it is Primata. Whereas in case of housefly, it is Diptera. In addition to this, some of the important families, namely Felidae, Canidae in case of dogs, Hyenidae, they all belongs to the order. Carnivora. Carnivora. The next important taxonomical rank is the class. The class is, it includes many related order. A taxon that includes many related orders will constitute class. Should be end with it will constitute class. The class in case of mammals, dog, tiger, cat are the classical example for mammals. They all belongs to the class. Mammalia. They are all characterized by the presence of mammary glands. It is fully functional in case of females, and it is a vestigial organ in case of males. Means because of the presence of mammary glands, the dogs, the tiger, cats are mainly included under the class Mammalia. In addition to this, some of the important primates, namely monkey, gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan, are some of the important forms normally comes under the class Mammalia. The next important taxonomical rank is the phylum or the division. With reference to phylum, it is the highest taxonomical rank. It mainly includes several classes. With few common characters. With reference to some of the important classes, namely Pisces, fishes, gottala. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ amphibians, reptiles, apes and mammals are characterized by the presence of prominent vertebral column. Yes, they all comes under the phylum Chordata. The Chordata, it mainly comprises of several important classes, namely Pisces, amphibians, reptiles, apes and mammals. These classes have common features like the presence of notochord and the presence of dorsal nerve tube. Such a unique characteristic features are seen in the phylum Chordata. The next important and the last important highest taxonomical rank is the kingdom. It is the highest taxonomical rank. It includes all the phylum or divisions. It is the highest taxonomical rank. It includes all the phylum or the division. The kingdom Animalia. It mainly includes the kingdom Animalia. It mainly includes the phylum, namely Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Echinodermata, Mollusca, Arthropoda, and also it includes Annelida and Chordates. All related phylums comes under the kingdom Animalia. Such a unique characteristic feature comprising highest taxonomical rank. It includes all the taxon from the phylum or the division called kingdom. The next important aspect is with reference to the taxonomical hierarchy for few examples. The first example is mango. The second one is wheat. The next subsequent one are namely man and housefly. With reference to mango, it belongs to the kingdom Plantae, division Embryophyta. It belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae because of the presence of two cotyledons. It comes under the order Sapindae. It belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Its generic name is Mangifera. The species name is Indica. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. With reference to wheat, it belongs to the kingdom Plantae. It belongs to the division Embryophyta. It belongs to the class Monocotyledonnae because of the presence of single cotyledon. It belongs to the order Poaceae. Its family is Poaceae. The generic name is Triticum. The species name is Aestivum. The Triticum aestivum is the scientific name of wheat. With reference to man, Man belongs to the kingdom Animalium. It is purely heterotrophic in nature. Man belongs to the phylum Chordata. Man belongs to the class Mammalia because of the presence of mammary glands. It will belongs to the order Primata. The family name is Hominidae. The generic name is Homo. The species name is Sapiens. Yes, the scientific name of man is Homo sapiens. With reference to housefly, Iga antarala adu. With reference to housefly, it will belongs to the kingdom Animalia. It will belongs to the phylum Chordata. It will belongs to the class Insecta. The order name is Diptera. It will belongs to the family Musidae. The generic name is Musca. The species name is Domestica. Yes, the scientific name of Nona or housefly is Musca domestica. Musca domestica. This is with reference to the Linnaean hierarchy or the taxonomical categories for few classical examples, namely mango, wheat, man and housefly. Man and housefly. This is with reference to the main important salient features of taxonomical categories. The graded arrangement of taxonomical ranks, one above the other, is called taxonomical categories. This unique concept was put forward by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, the taxonomical categories is also designated as Linnaean hierarchy. Linnaean hierarchy. Okay. With reference to the multiple choice questions from the point of NEET examinations, the first question is, each category found in taxonomical hierarchy is known as taxon. The lowest category of animal kingdom is the species. Whether it is plants, animals, Monera, Protista or Mycota, the lowest category of animal kingdom is the species. Select a species not related to the genus Solanum. Solanum nigrum and Cassisoppu. Solanum tuberosum, sweet potato. Solanum melangina, brinjal. The not related to the genera of Solanum is Tobacum. Select the genus not related to the family Solanaceae. The Solanum andre brinjal ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, potato ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಕಾಸಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಾರೆ. They all belongs to Solanaceae. Nicotiana tobacum andre tobacco. Datura ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದತ್ತುರಿ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ತರ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಟ್ರಂಪೆಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, either white or pinkish in nature. They all belongs to the family Solanaceae, but Mangifera it will belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Yes, select the genus not related to the family Solanaceae is the Mangifera. Which order it includes? Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae. It is the order Polemonius. It comes under the order. The highest taxonomical rank in the highest taxon in the taxonomical hierarchy is the kingdom, whereas the lowest taxonomical rank is the species. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು the highest taxon in the taxonomical hierarchy is the kingdom. As we go lower from kingdom to species, the number of common characteristic features are subjected to increase. Housefly, it will belongs to the phylum. phylum. It will belong to the phylum Arthropoda. It will belong to the phylum Arthropoda. It will belong to the phylum. It will belong to the phylum Arthropoda. Select the correct related to man. Man belongs to the order. Man belongs to the order Primata. Man belongs to the order Primata. This is with reference to few multiple choice questions. I will post PDF format. Try to answer the remaining questions by observing the key answers. Thank you. Thank you very much.